we decided that we were the ones responsible for impacting the lives of others less fortunate in our communities.
My years in, we'll feed over 3,000 individuals. Anybody who's interested, please stand up.
We believe that there's no greater way to redefine an industry than by starting in our own backyards, helping to redefine the lives of our brothers and sisters among us. As a result of the Bike Challenge today, we will be donating 20 bicycles, 10 boys and 10 girls, to Ministries for local children in need of some summer fun.
Someone will have enough to eat tonight. Someone will have decent clothes to wear. Someone will have shelter. Someone will receive medical care. Someone will learn the skills they need to survive and succeed. The world is a better place because you gave your time, your talent, and your treasures. And so for that, we say thank you.